Let's take a look at what's new in Teams Toolkit for VS Code 5.6. Welcome back to another 3-Minute Thursday, and if you're new, hello, it's good to see you. And I'm going to share with you what is new in Teams Toolkit for VS Code 5.6. And if you can stick with me, I'm going to share with you some other cool stuff that I'm really excited about. So let's jump into VS Code and take a look. All right, let's take a look at what's new. And here we are inside of VS Code, and you can get Teams Toolkit in the marketplace. So I've already gone to the marketplace Teams Toolkit, and I've already updated to 5.6. And as always, you can click on the changelog tab if you want to review what's new in here. So if we just look through what's new, you can see we have a new feature for tab applications, so you can deploy to static web apps. So that's now going to be the default. And if you prefer the old way with Azure Storage, then we've now moved that to a sample, so you can copy that. So that's basically new infrastructure templates. So we have bicep templates included in there for you. We have a new sample that demonstrates how to unfurl a link. So you can paste a Reddit link as an example, and any link that you want really, and unfurl an adaptive card. And then you can customize what that adaptive card looks like. So this could be super useful if you want to show a specific style of adaptive card for your link. And I have another video on how to customize an adaptive card for unfurling a link that you can check out if you want to dive into how to do that. We have some improvements to the housekeeping of the tools. So we're going to clean up the deployment folder for you in between deployments. That will speed things up. There's dev tunnel expiration improvements here. So every time you have 5, we create a dev tunnel for you. That's going to now be cleaned up after an hour. And there's also some log level settings, so you can kind of fine tune what you see the tool's output. There's some minor improvements to how we display samples, so you can see some more information in there. We'll now show the README in there, so you can get a little more information about what the sample does before you use it. There's a couple minor improvements to how we handle multi-tenant in there as well, and some improvements for handling SPFX versions. And so that's all based on your feedback. And like I mentioned earlier, there's a couple cool things that are not inside the VS Code extension that I'm excited about, and that is the CLI. So we have that in the changelog here. So I want to show you what's new in the Teams Toolkit CLI version 3 that is also released this month. So let's jump into that. So here I have my terminal open, and you can install the CLI directly from npm. So here's the command here, and I'm going to install it globally as well. If you're using the CLI before, you'll notice it was called Teams FX. We've now changed it to be Teams App. So this will be the Teams App CLI. The Teams FX commands will continue to work. They are alias, so you can continue to use those if you want, but we encourage you to move to the new Teams App signature. So you can do Teams App, and you can see there's a whole bunch of new signatures for these commands. We've tried to really simplify them. There's a doctor command here to check all the prerequisites of your project. You can now upload custom apps with the install command. I'm very excited to have the upgrades to the CLI, and you don't need to use Teams Toolkit for VS Code if you don't want to. You can use just a CLI. Take a look at the description below. I'll include links to all this, and you can go ahead and get started with either the Teams Toolkit for VS Code 5.6 update, or you can download and install the CLI as well. Give us your feedback. Let us know what else you want to see. Like and subscribe to the video so you can get more notifications about this kind of content, and I'll see you in the next one.